Hi, my lovely Pisces. Thank you all so much for joining me here, Pisces. This is going to be your daily reading, Pisces, for your general and love energies for the day, Pisces. Let us see what is coming up for you guys, Pisces, for your general and love energies for the day, Pisces. Oh God, we have the you are conquered, consider who wins, a queen must lead while a wife must follow. But both are diplomats, be immortal, not defeated. So it's time for you to take things into your own hands, guys. If you feel certain things are going really bad for you, people are trying to control you, overpower you, bringing you down, it's time for you to step up and say that that's not how people should treat you, right? So it's time for you to gain that respect and trust from others, guys, because if you don't do it now, it might be too late, right? That is what I can see here again for you guys. And with you have to be strong, and you should never let yourselves be weak, because people might try to make you weak, people might try to bring you down today. So it's always good that you stay very positive, do not get into any kind of arguments, stay positive and do what you're supposed to today, because it's time for you to be strong. The better you are, the better everything is. So everything has to go according to your expectations. So try to kind of be the best of yourselves, guys. So now I will be picking out cards for your general energies again, about what are the feelings or what does the person around you feel towards you, guys. The feelings of the person around you. How does this person feel about you? Let us find out. Wow, I see that there is mutual love in this connection with this person. You love this person a lot, they love you a lot. There is a lot of mutual connection. Transformation in reverse. So I see that give yourselves time to transform. Like if you feel you need to take a time off, it's okay. A break is needed in your connection. It's okay, take a break. You don't have to do this all along. Okay, so you don't have to do this all along, guys. It's okay if you want to take a break from this person. It's okay to take a break from this person. If you want to progress things, it's okay, progress things. Whatever it is, it's your wish and everything is in your hands, right, Pisces? And for some of you who felt like you took a break from this person, you're far away from this person right now, I see that this person loves you a lot, and they kind of left you thinking that they can transform into a better person and then come towards you, guys. Okay, but I don't really know how this is going to go. Anyways, let me pick out a few more cards for your love situation. This person's thinking. Wait a minute, guys. They're thinking, they're feeling towards you, their actions towards you. They're thinking, how is this person thinking about you, Pisces? We have the 9 of water. I mean, like, they're thinking of you every time, all day, all time. Like, even though you guys are far away from each other, this person cannot go a single moment without thinking about you. Whatever the situation is, this person sees you in everybody they meet, guys, is what I can say. They do not know what they're going to do if not with you. They're very, very affectionate to you. very much concerned about spending a lifetime with you, because they feel like it's much easier than to go with others or than to spend any time with others. Guys, this person is very much attracted to you, they love you, and the only thing they want to do is come towards you really strong. They, no matter wherever they go, whoever they meet, they kind of see you in everybody they meet, they see you in everybody they talk to, which is also bringing this person much closer to you each and every day, right? So that is what I can see here, and that is what I feel with these cards, my lovely Pisces. Thank you all so much for joining me here, Pisces.